In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install BlueStack on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, just go to your browser, then you need to search for BlueStack, then press enter, and then you will get this link bluestacks.com. Just click here, and I will also give this link in the description. So after coming to this link, you will see an option called download BlueStack 10. So here, just click on download BlueStack, and it will start downloading, and it will download a exe file. So right now what you need to do is that you just need to double click on this downloaded file. Then you need to give a permission, yes. After that, it will show you something like this, and here you can see install now button. Here, if you want, you can also change the install location. So I'll keep the default location and click on install. And then click on I agree. There you can see it is downloading, and it is around 112 MB. So it will take some time, so I will just fast forward the video. After the first download is complete, it will download a few more files like this, and the second one is around 597 MB, and this will take around 4 minutes to download. And when all the download is complete, it will just extract some file to install BlueStack. So this will again take some time, so I'll just fast forward the video again. And there you can see our installation is complete. There you can see, so I'll now just click on next, and click on done. And there you can see our BlueStack is successfully installed, and now we will be able to download any games from BlueStack. So I hope this was useful, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.